Hey guys, it's me William, and today I'm very sorry that I hadn't made a video for a while, so it's been a while. So today I'm gonna show you how to make Black Spider-Man. That's just a noise, but just ignore that. So here's Black Spider-Man. So you need like a Venom toy sword that I just paint like white. Then you need to get like, so you need this like white paint texture. You can just get it from Officeworks. And then yeah, just put in like the boots. And then just get a regular head, and then just color it black and then let it to dry. And I also use but I cannot, a black texture which is like this green too, but I cannot show you it right now. So I'm gonna show you it later. So then we have to put the white eyes on it and color the white eyes on it. And then what if I get Peter Parker and then just put it on there, and then it'll kind of look cool. Don't you think, guys? Let me know in your comment section below. Do you like the mask off or the mask on? So yeah, it's Black Spider-Man. So what the problem is, I was trying to use like this thingy, and then for the hands, but it didn't work. Then it just come off. Yeah. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.